Here is a Nissan Murano. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now this door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors. So first let's get started with the left side door. Open up the door and right there you'll find the switch. To activate the feature you're going to push the switch right inwards. Push it right, now it's activated. Now you can still open the door from outside. However, when you get inside, you should not be able to open the door. Lock it, cannot open. Unlock, cannot open. No matter what I do, I cannot open. But guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to slide over to the right side and open the door from here. Open the left side door now. Push the switch left outwards to deactivate the feature. And now I can again open the door from outside and also open the door from inside. Let's try this. Lock, cannot open. Unlock, I can open. That's good. Repeating the process for the right side door. You're gonna push the switch inwards, leftwards. Go in the car. I should not be able to open the door now. Yep, no matter what I do, I cannot open. However, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open the door from there. So if you've got a child in the back seat, make sure you individually activate the feature on both the doors because you don't want the child to accidentally slide over there and open up the door and get out of the car. So for now, let's just slide over here, open the door. Get out from here, open this door, and to deactivate the feature just push it outwards towards right, and now it's deactivated. I can open the door from outside, and I should also be able to open it from inside. Locked, cannot open. Unlocked, I can open. That's it. I hope you found it useful.